Are you having trouble finding on-demand laborers for last-minute jobs? Are you tired of spending valuable time hunting down qualified workers? Stop stressing and download the Work2Day app. After downloading the app, simply just fill out your profile completely and share the description of the job you need done and the type of laborers you are seeking. Posting your job description will give you access to a pool of candidates in your area that are ready to bid on your post. You are able to see their profile pictures, bios, star ratings, competitive rates, their list of skills, and preferred services. Now all you gotta do is just pick your preferred laborer. The Work2Day app is WSIB covered, services are provided all across the GTA, taxes are included, and labor is guaranteed to show up. Get the job done today, on demand. And more importantly, relax without any stress or hassle. So download the Work2Day app and get started.